Good afternoon to all of our members joining us online or in our Garfield Heights branch. We have established a quorum and are ready to start the 2024 annual meeting. My name is Carolyn Nagy, your moderator for today's meeting. Let's begin in prayer with the Our Father. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. At this time, I wish to introduce Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union's Board Chair, Joe Shaft, who will formally call the annual meeting to order.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union 70th Annual Meeting. My name is Joe Shaft, Board Chairman for Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union. Thank you to all of our members and our credit union employees joining us online or in person at our Garfield Heights main office. We have established a quorum and I call the annual meeting to order. Has everyone had an opportunity to review the meeting minutes from last year? If so, is there a motion to approve the minutes from last year's meeting?
I approve the motion.
I have a motion. Is there a second?
I second the motion.
The motion carries and the 2023 annual meeting minutes are hereby approved. At this time, I want to acknowledge the other board members of Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union. Scott Wilson, Vice Chairman, Anita Simcoe, Secretary, Jim Tawney, Treasurer, Carmen Angelo, Chris Majori, and Todd Turner, board members. I would also like to acknowledge the members of our Supervisory Committee, Rob James, Chairman, Jim Pazdurak, Adam Runkle, and Angelo Cianzabello. As we look back at 2023, we'd like to thank our branch staff who serve you in our branch lobbies or in our drive-through lanes, to our Member Service Center representatives and our Loan Zone team, to our staff who manage our operations, accounting, HR, and marketing departments, and our IT team who keeps our banking technology running 24/7. On behalf of our members, thank you for all you have done. We now move on to renew current Board of Director members who are up for renewal. Anita Simcoe, having been selected by the nominating committee and their number of nominees equaling the number of positions to be filled, is hereby approved to serve on the Board of Directors for another term. Thank you. And thank you for all your continued service to Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union. I now invite President and Chief Executive Officer Todd Turner to share financial highlights and other accomplishments from the past year and discuss initiatives both planned and ongoing for 2024.
Thank you, Joe. Good afternoon. I'd like to thank everyone for attending the 70th annual meeting of Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union, either online or in person at our Garfield Heights location. As I reflect back on our history, the years I've been with the credit union, and the future growth opportunities that are ahead of us, I feel proud to be part of such an outstanding organization that has stood the test of time and keeps true to the mission and values set forth by our founding members. With that being said, I do want to recognize a few of the many individuals that have given resources, support to Ohio Catholic. First and foremost, I'd like to thank our members. Without your support and loyalty, we would not exist. I'd like to thank all of our employees for their hard work and dedication. And last, but certainly not least, the Board of Directors and Supervisory Committee members for your guidance and direction. Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union is the largest faith-based credit union in the state with over 12,500 members who trust us to serve their everyday banking and loan needs. Our growth is largely due to you, our members, who have recommended your family and friends. I'm excited to report to you that your organization had another successful year in 2023. I will share some of the financial highlights with you. Our assets increased to $17.8 million. This is a 7.6% increase, with total assets ending at $250 million. Our deposit base increased to $202 million, which represents a $10 million growth. This is a 5.5 increase. Our loan portfolio increased $6.8 million, resulting from the $53 million we lent to our members. Our earnings for 2023 ended at $1.8 million. Our average return on assets ended at 0.86. Our average return on equity ended at 6.51. Our efficiency ratio ended at 75.7. Financial institutions desire a lower efficiency ratio because this means the company revenue is more than its spending and therefore on sound financial footing. Our capital ratio, one of the clearest indicators of the credit union's sound financial foundation, ended at 13.18%, which is considered well capitalized and higher than peer. These numbers should inspire confidence in every member that our credit union stands on sound financial foundation. One of our largest investments we made in 2023 was our new branch located in North Canton, Ohio. This location will house a retail branch, our commercial lending division, and our new private wealth management division. This expansion into Stark County provides access to these markets, which allow us to serve our more members. The private wealth sector brings us a new membership and financial product while allowing us to offer current members more choices to maximize their funds. Our new website, mobile app, and online banking improvements give members even more options for safe, convenient banking with us. Our new ATM at the Garfield Heights location offers new technology that will enhance the member experience. Looking forward, we are confident that we can continue to grow. This growth will allow us to expand, helping new members and improving products and technology, all driven to enhance the member's experience. This year, we plan to add business mobile app that will provide our business members more features and make their experience easier. We are planning to upgrade our consumer loan platform that will make it easier to apply and obtain a consumer loan. We will continue to upgrade our technology on the back end to ensure our members' information is secure and safe. In a recent survey of our members, this ranked as one of their top priorities. We will continue to invest in this area to ensure our members are protected. We will introduce an interactive teller machine, an ITM technology that integrates into our core and will allow more functionality for our members. Some of these functions will allow members in-branch services, which will include a video connection to a teller during business hours. We are committed to fighting fraud at all levels of our institution. One of the reasons we will introduce positive pay technology that will enhance the efforts against check fraud. This year marks the 70th anniversary of Ohio Catholic. From its beginning in Garfield Heights in 1954, we have continued the mission to serve God and our members through financial services, making an impact with integrity, member focus, passion, accountability, courtesy, and teamwork. Look for events at your branches to celebrate, and thank you for sharing the commitment to this mission. This year, we asked members to submit questions that they would like us to address. It is not possible to address all, but I want to thank everyone who submitted a question. Here are several of the questions that were submitted. Michael B. asked, when are you going to get the Tap and Go debit cards? That's a great question, Michael. Based on member feedback, we changed our credit card vendor in late 2022 and now offer Tap and Go cards. In addition, many members ask for Apple and Google Pay, which we have that as well. If you're using an older card, just contact your member service center and ask them for a replacement card. Joanne P. asked, why doesn't Ohio Catholic have more ATMs? Joanne, thank you for your question. Typically, installing a new ATM costs roughly $100,000. We decided it was more cost effective to sign up for fee-free networks, Co-op, MoneyPass, and Alliance, where our members are able to use over 75,000 ATMs throughout the United States fee-free. You can easily find an ATM within the locator on our website and even download the Co-op Solution ATM Locator app from Google Play or from the App Store on your iPhone. Philip P. and Domingo R. ask, is it possible to get lower rates on our home equity loans? Well, gentlemen, I appreciate the question, and we've heard that from multiple members. So we decided to introduce a 5.99 fixed rate home equity loan, as well as a 6.99 home equity line of credit. If you'd like more information, please contact our team in the Loan Zone. We'll be happy to walk you through the options. Charlene J. asks, can we get more staff in the member service center? Sometimes I have to wait for a long time. Well, thanks for the question, Charlene. We have recently added additional staff members to assist you, but I'd like to point out that you can speak to the team in the Member Service Center in a variety of ways. You obviously can call, but you can reach them through live chat on our website or through mobile messaging if you have downloaded our mobile app application, or you can simply email them at ebranch@ohiocatholicfcu.com. If you have any questions or need additional information on these, feel free to stop by our branches or contact the Member Service Center. Our goal is to make working with us as convenient as possible. In closing, I want to thank our members again. Each of you are the reason our team shows up every day, and each of you are the reason we could accomplish so much in 2023. You make up Ohio's largest faith-based credit union, and that's definitely something I take pride in. At this time, I'll turn the meeting back over to Board Chairman Joe Shaft to conclude our annual meeting business. Thank you.
On behalf of the Board of Directors, I wish to thank all members present for joining us this afternoon and taking part of our annual meeting. With all the official business concluded, I now adjourn the 2024 Ohio Catholic Federal Credit Union Annual Meeting. Have a good evening and God bless you.